Hiya! So today we're going to make these little hand puppets, and they're really easy to make and super popular in class because you can make all different types of characters. So we have Bertha the hippo here. Hello! And we've also got Freddy the frog, but you can make whatever animal you want. So I'm just going to pass my camera over to my amazing assistant Millie to help. So we're going to make a fox, I think. So it doesn't matter if you don't have coloured paper. You can do this with white paper and then colour it in yourself. But what you need to start with is one A4 sheet of paper. So have the sheet of paper in front of you, landscape like this. And what you need to do is fold it in three. So fold one panel into the middle like this, and then fold your other side on top of it like this. Now you don't necessarily need to use glue, but when we make these in class, we always find it's best to glue this side down onto your middle panel. So a little line of glue here. And what you got is a pipe like this. So the next thing you need to do is flip it over so you can't see your little line here. And then you're going to fold it in half, just like this. So you've got the mouth of your puppet. So already you've got the snapping bit of it going, hello. But you need to be able to put your hands into it so that it works. So what we need to do is fold these bits with the little hole back to the middle on the top, flip it over, and on the bottom. Now, once you've got that much done, you can put your hands in and already it's working. Hello. So I'm gonna add some ears onto mine. So I've already cut out a triangle and I've folded a little flat back on each side. So I'm going to grab my glue and I'm going to stick my ears onto my fox. So I need to stick them up here so he looks kind of foxy, like this on both sides. And then I'm going to give him some teeth. So I've done the same thing. I've cut out two triangles and folded it back so that we can stick it into his mouth. So a little bit of glue. And I'm going to pop it into the mouth bit. Now, if you're unsure of where the head is or where the mouth is, it's a good idea to keep putting your hand into your puppet so that you get an idea of where to put your next piece. So the other thing that I've done is I've given him a little tongue. So I'm going to stick that in. So a little bit of glue anywhere on your pink tongue. Stick it in like this. And then my fox can't see because he's got no eyes. So I have also cut out two ovals and folded a little tab back on each of them like this. So I'm going to stick those onto my fox. Okay, so the finishing touches he needs are some eyeballs. So I'm going to give him little vixen eyes. So they're going to be circles with kind of a half moon shape in each one. And then you can also give him a little nose. And if you cut out some tiny strips of paper, you could stick them on for whiskers, or you could draw them on like this. Okay, let's see what our little fox looks like. He's a little bit like a cat at the moment, so he could be a little kitten as well. And there he is, all done. So make a few of those, guys, if you're feeling a little bit bored, and share them with us here on Smart Art Galway or Kathy Ross Art. So we've got our fox, and we've got our hippo, and we've also got a frog, but you can make dragons. I've seen people do self-portraits with these. You could make your mum out of it for Mother's Day. You could make a St. Patrick's Day one, whatever you want. Okay, enjoy. Bye-bye.